Question number 6. Draw the percentage divided bar diagram for the data given in example 5. The same example 5 is going to repeat for the question number 6. But here we are going to make a percentage divided bar diagram. That was a simple divided bar diagram, but here we are going to make a changes with a percentage divided bar diagram. This percentage shows the mark of the total 100, and here the number of person is given. So first let's find out that how much percentage they are. Now here first of all the number of persons are given, which have to be turned into percentage. Now for the percentage you can see the total. You can take the calculation something like this. Total 1200 is 100 percentage, right? The number of person 1200, which is the total number of person, shows 100 percentage. If it is 480, it shows how much. So for this you can make a cross multiplication. 480 into 100 divided by 1200, you will get 40. So 480 is a 40%. In the same way, without doing such kind of equation, you can directly do it by taking 360 multiplied by 100 divided by 1200. Here you will get 30. Next, for 240, that is for the 15 to 35. Moving to the next, for 35 to 60, that is 1200 is 100 percentage. What about 240? 240 multiplied by 100, the cross multiplication, divide by the 1200, and here we get the answer 20. Last one for the 120, do it directly. That 120 multiplied by 100, just look at the equation that I put the number of person here 100 over here and the total number of person 1200 over here. Out of this calculation you will get it's a 10%. You can see this. So here we have made it with the percentage, and the next line will be for split up. Now for the split up, if you remember what we used to take, we take the total first, 100, get minus with the 40. Here we get the answer 60. Take the 60 down and get minus with the 30%. Here we get the answer 30. Take 30 down, get minus with 20. You will get 10. Take 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. The same way you have to make for the region B. Here we'll take, for this equation we'll take 1000, number of person is 100%. What about 350? Make a cross multiplication. 350 multiplied by 100 divided by 1000. Here you will get 65%. So take it 65. Next, please continue with such kind of calculation. Sorry, this is 35, not 65. 35. With the next 250 multiplied by 100 divided by 1000, and here we get answer 25. That is 25%. Continue with the remaining one. You will get 20%, and here also 20%. For the split up, first take the total from here, 100, get minus with 35. Here remain 65. Take the 65 down, get minus with 25. You will get 40. Take 40 next line. Get minus with 20, here remain 20. Next, 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. So out of this, here we are going to prepare 2 bar and going to divide this diagram. So first write down that percentage divided bar diagram showing the age of a person living in 2 different regions. As usual, what we have done in the last question, on the x-axis will display a region, and on y-axis percentage of person. So let's take the total first. Here we are going to take 100 as a total. So the bar will be prepared till here for both, because here also 100 the total is. So for both bar we are going to take till 100%, and in that we are going to make a division. Bars are ready, and here we are going to make a percentage divided bar diagram. So let's find out first with the split up. First one is till 60. Next till 30. Next till 10. So here the 3 age group has been divided. Remember the same I have took, what I have took in the last question number 5. The same is going to be repeat here, which is going to be show less than 15, which is star, and 15 to 35 with dots, and 35 to 60 with the lines, and more than 60 with the shade. So out of this information, let's start putting till less than 15 will be the top one, which is going to be show as a star. 15 to 35, which has to be shows with the dots. 35 to 60 with the lines, and more than 60 with the dark shade. This is what the percentage of person in region A. Next one is region B. For region B, let's take till 65. So here will be the 65. Next one is 40 till here. The last one is till 20. So here we made 4 age groups. Let's make a margin. As I am doing with the one hand, it will look little meshy. You people make it properly. This is just for the explanation. So at the end, it will look something like this. Moving to the next. Question number 7. A car production company has produced the following number of cars during the 3 years. Represent it through a circle diagram. Now the circle diagram, I'll show you how it has to be go. In the information, in the question, it is given the year 12, 13 and 14 and the production of car. As we can see, it keep on increasing every year. So first take the column of year and the production of car. Whenever we have to prepare a circle diagram, the square root has to be removed, which would be easily will be removed from your calculator by this. So just remove the square root of 25,600, which will be 160. For 1,02,400, it would be 320, and for 1,60,000, it would be 400. So after removing square root, we have to find out the radius. Now radius, where we can take a less number of centimeters to make a circle diagram, because each year we have to prepare a circle by showing a circle that how much production has been increased. तो यहाँ पे हर एक साल के लिए एक एक सर्कल बनेगा. सर्कल इतना छोटा होना चाहिए कि आपके बुक में एटलीस्ट आज आप बता सको कि what production has been done in the year. So for the radius, take the square root and divide with the number, which take them all to the limited number, like बहुत कम नंबर में आए वो लेस नंबर से आए. तो for this, here I am going to take the square root. First check the numbers. Which number will be divided over here? You can see the multiplication of 2. But if we divide with 160 divide by 2, you will get 80. Now for 80, how would we prepare an 80 centimeter in the book? So let increase one more 0. That 160 divided by 20. 160 divided by 20. Still we get the 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, आपके बुक में नहीं आएगा. So for this, you have to take it, increase one more 0. Out of 2, let's take it 200, which will be 160 divided by 200 shows 0.8 centimeter, which would be easily can be prepared in the book to show the production of a car. So here we are going to make a division of 200 of this square root, that 160 divided by 200. Here we get 0.8, the centimeter have to be shown. Next is 320 divided by 200, which has to be shown by 1.6 centimeter, and 400 divided by 200. Here you need answer will be 2 centimeter. So first of all, take the rounder and make a margin, take the measure of the centimeters and prepare your circles. After taking a measure on the rounder, make a round like circle, something like this, and after this you have to write down that what you are showing in the circle, that is 25,600 unit with the radius 0.8 centimeter for the year 2012. For 2013, 1,02,400 units with the radius of 1.6 centimeter, which we have found. And for the year 2014, 1,60,000 unit with the radius of 2 centimeter. This is how you have to show the circle diagram. For this you don't need the graph. Moving to the next question. Question number 8. The following data represent the percentage sales of copies of daily newspaper represented by pie diagram. Now here we are going to prepare pie diagram. For this you need a protractor. Next, here the information is given: newspaper, PQRS, and the percentage of selling with total. Now out of this information, first take into the solution. This is what the solution, and till here the question is information given in the question. First write down the name of a newspaper and write down the percentage of selling which is given in the question. Now out of this, here they have told you to make a pie diagram. The pie diagram which has to be shown in the circle, and then make a cut of this. Now for this you need a 360 degree. For that, first we'll remove the 360 degree out of the percentage. So here we can say that 100% is 360 degree. 25% is equal to how much? This is the percentage and this is what the degree is showing. So here we'll make a cross multiplication. 25 multiplied by 360 divided by 100. Here we get 90 degree. So here the same calculation I am going to write down here, that is 25 multiplied by 360 degree divided by 100. Here we get 90 degree. Same for the next. Now no need to put this equation every time. You can directly see by looking at this. You can put this equation: 23 multiplied by 360 divided by 100. Here you will get 82.8 degree. Next, 24 multiplied by 360 divided by 100. Here the answer is 86.4. Next, 28 multiplied by 360 divided by 100. You will get 100.8 degree. If you made the total of this, you will get the total 360 degree. Now out of this, first we'll make a circle with the help of a rounder, and you also need a protractor. Now here with the help of a rounder, first make one circle and put one line, and out of this line we are going to make a pie diagram. For this you need a protractor. Now place the protractor on the line like this with a proper margin till the center, and in the first one it shows a 90 degree. So first make a margin till 90 degree and line up till the center to show it shows a 90 degree. After the 90 degree, take again the center After putting a center, find out the another degree is 82.8. So here you can see here 82.8 must be over here. Out of this, make a line till here. Next again put in the center and check till 86.4. So from here we'll take 86.4. So it would be till here. Again make a line for this to make a pie. At the end, the last one is 100.8. So first take the center and find out is it coming till 108. Here you can see the 108. So it's the exact one. Here we are ready with the pie diagram. Now you have to show the display the what information, like For P newspaper, how you can recognize the P? So for this you have to show the display buttons of the newspaper for the company A, the newspaper Q, newspaper R and the newspaper S. Now after removing the degrees, you have to show it that which newspaper is this. For P, I made a little cross. You people prepare it neat and clear, as I'm using my one hand, so it would be look little rough. For Q, it is 82.8 degree, which I made a mark something like this. For newspaper R, that is a slanting line, and for newspaper S with the straight line with the 100.8 degree. This is how the pie diagram has to be shown. Please make it with a neat and clear. Don't make so much rough. So this is how the calculation and has to be prepared the pie diagram. Don't forget to show the degree as well, that which newspaper is showing over here. Next, question number 9. Represent the following information by a pictogram. Here the year is given and production of mango in the question, that is 2010 to 14, and the production of mangoes. Here when we are preparing a pictogram, the whatever product has been shown, the symbol has to be shown by them. Like here they are showing a production of mangoes, so the one mango is showing that 50,000 kg. You can see it is 1 lakh, 1 lakh 50. These are the production of mangoes in kg. So one mango display of 50,000 kg. This is how you have to display. Out of this, whenever we show the pictogram, it has to be show something like the same information we are going to display. So just write down the year. Rather than putting a numbers, we are just going to put the symbol of mango. Here it is 1 lakh. If one symbol is showing a 50,000 kg, so 2 must be showing the 1 lakh. So this is how you have to draw a mango for 2010. That is 50 plus 50, it would be 1 lakh for the year 2010. For the 2011, it shows the production of 1,50,000 kg. So obviously there would be a 3 mangoes, 50, 50 plus 50. So here I am making 1, 2 and 3. Next is 2,50,000. So here we need a 5 symbol of mangoes to show it 2,50,000 kg. Here only thing is important to make a proper symbol which has been asked in the question. Next is 1,50,000. So again 3 mangoes will be displayed in the year 2013. Now here it is showing 75. So 50,000 will be shown for the one symbol, and for the 25 we have to prepare half mango. 1 for the 50,000 and remaining 25,075 will make a half. So it shows 50,000 kg plus 25,000 kg, it becomes 75,000. So this is how it has to be shown for the question number 9. Moving to the question number 10. Question number 10. Detail of production of electric bulb by 2 well-known companies are as under. Represent them by a pictogram. In question number 9, there was only one company showing the production, and here we can see there are 2 companies has to be shown. So again we'll take the year, and as here they are showing a production of electric bulb. So the bulb, this is how I have prepared the one bulb which is going to show as a 50 bulb. So first write down the year, that is 2012, 2013, 2014 and 2015. The one bulb shows the 50 bulb. So here 50 for the company A. For the company A for 2012, here I am going to make only one bulb to show the 50. Sorry, it doesn't look like a bulb. Here for the 50 bulb, I shown the one bulb as a 50. Next is the 100. So obviously 2 bulb बनाएंगे 50-50K, so it would be 100. Next is 175. So here 150 तक तो 3 bulb बन जाएंगे. For 75 we'll make a half. Next is 200 bulb. For this we will prepare 4 bulb. This is done with the company A. Moving for the company B, here they show the production of 100 in 2012. So here for 100 we'll make 2 bulb. For 153 bulbs. Sorry for them, not good with this drawing and with one single hand. So next for the 200, 4 bulbs. Please you people draw properly. In one single hand it will look little like this. So this is how you have to show pictogram. This is the end of the exercise. Moving to the next with the exercise 2.